Inaugurating a two-day national conference of state cooperation ministers in New Delhi, the Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah said that a committee has been constituted to draft national cooperative policy for holistic development. The Union Cabinet has approved policy on long-term leasing of railway land for implementing PM Gati Shakti framework. 300 PM Gati Shakti cargo terminals will also be developed over next 5 years. President, Vice President and Prime Minister of the country has extended their greetings to the countrymen on the occasion of Onam, especially the people of Kerala. National Testing Agency has declared the results of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate NEET 2022. Candidates can check their results on www.nta.ac.in. India will take on Afghanistan in their Super 4 match of Asia Cup T20 cricket in Dubai today. The match will start at 7:30 p.m.